So we are going to find slope from 2 points. So to find slope from 2 points, we're going to look at this equation. So first we have to know when we have ordered pairs. So this is x1, y1, x2, y2. And in our ordered pairs, it's always x, y. And these little numbers right here, these subscripts, they only represent a position. We don't actually use them in our calculations. So our equation is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So that is our slope formula, our rise over our run. So let's look at an example. So 4, 5, 6, 2. So I would say 2 minus 5 over 6 minus 4. So if I did that, I would get negative 3 over 2. And you'll notice that the negative sign is in front of my fraction here. So our next example, negative 1, 3, and 2, 7. I'm going to say 7 minus 3, 2 minus negative 1. Okay, and I like to combine. I don't like to write minus negative. So on the bottom, I changed that minus negative to a plus. So that gave me 4 over 3. Okay, in our next example, we have 4, negative 5, 10, negative 3. So I'm going to say negative 3 minus negative 5, 10 minus 4. Okay, and I'm going to change that minus and negative to a plus. Okay, and then I'm going to subtract, which gives me 2 over 6, and 2 and 6 are both even, so I know they divide by 2, which can be reduced to 1/3. In our last example, I have negative 3, 0, and negative 4, negative 2. So I'm going to say negative 2 minus 0 over negative 4 minus negative 3. Again, I don't like to write minus a negative, so I'm going to change that to a plus sign in my denominator. So the negative 2 minus 0 is negative 2, and then negative 4 plus 3 is negative 1. So if I reduce that, negative 2 divided by negative 1 is a positive 2. So that's how I can find the slope when I'm given 2 points.